how to change Gmail ID in mobile. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail ID on your mobile phone. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you're going to search for Gmail. So we select it here and download this app. So we can download the Gmail application in our mobile phone and it will make the work very easy for you. Once you have downloaded Gmail app, you will log into your Google account and access your Gmail. So it will take you to your menu. You can see this is my Gmail right here and I accessed it. Now you can see at the top we have our profile. Then we're gonna click on manage your Google account. Here we have personal info. Inside your personal info, you will be able to edit anything you want to using your mobile phone. You can edit your name, you can edit your ID, and you can change your password as well. We also have our data and privacy, security settings, people, and sharing. So you can check all of your profiles here, check your passwords, your email, and edit it out. So it's actually really easy to access. All you need to do is just log into your Gmail and then go to the Manage Google account and change your Gmail ID. If you want to add more Gmail IDs, then you simply click on Add Another Account and add it, and then you can switch between the accounts really easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.